What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be working on a Volkswagen 2021 model GTI. Got some work done to it. I'm going to kind of show it off. It's got it tuned and can-in filter. The DSG's been tuned a little bit. We're going to be doing a few things to it. Right now in this video we're just going to be doing spark plugs. Got these laser iridiums from NGK, and it recommends doing these every 40,000 miles on this engine right here. It says 2-liter turbo, for anybody who's wondering. You can use the part number, the ILFER7B8EG, or you can use the 95749. 4 of them. I'll show you what they look like. If you've never seen these plugs before or done these style, they're a little different. See how they don't have the little nipple on the top that they attach to. They actually, the coils just press up against it. They got like a spring-loaded little flat on it, so they're a little different than some of the other ones. It is a German car, so Germans like to be a little different. I'm gonna try to set y'all up. About the only thing I got to set y'all up on right now is this. Only thing I did, just seriously just pulled the cover off of it, nothing else. To do this, got these 4 right here. You can pull up on the tab and pull up. I like to get a pick underneath here and pull them up, because these can break on you. It's a common thing. I've broke them myself before. It happens, but this one's only has 60,000 miles or something. Not long ago I did a valve cleaning on these. I think it recommends doing valve cleaning every 40,000 miles too. I think it's 40 to 60,000 is what it said. So we pulled the intake off, cleaned the valves. His is super clean in there. I was like impressed by it, but he's only ever run premium in this car, so that helps with that. I know it's sidetracking on what we're doing on the video, but kind of want to give you a little bit back history. But coils, here they are right there. We'll have 10 millimeters, 1, 2, 3, and 4 connectors right there. Let me set y'all up. Don't know how well this is going to stay up here. I got y'all on kind of like my little rubber glove box, but you can see everything really nice right there. Wind is blowing. I hope it's not too loud for everybody. I'll notice it whenever I edit the video about how loud it's going to be. But we are out in the elements today. We are... Alright, phone fell. But we are out in the elements today. We are in the field working mobily. So let's start off. I'm gonna get this pick under here. Pull this tab and pull up. Okay, that one's started. And they're all on kind of like a little tray thing, so just take your time and pop them out one at a time. There we go. It's connected right here. You can pop that back and pull that up. Same with that one. And then we got this one over here. Come on, pull up. There we go. And it's off. This little tab right there up gives me a little bit more room. Alright. No, don't go back down. Okay. Pulling forward. I don't know why I was pushing them back. I want to pull them forward, not back. 10 millimeters, take these ground wires off. Don't you do that. I want to hold this one. That one is wanting to rotate on me, and I do not want it to rotate like that. There it goes. Also, if it rotates too much, you can break your ground wire on. That ain't something I'm gonna do right here. One 10mm, two 10mm. Trace and 4. Ground. This ground I want to straighten back out because I don't like the way that looks. Ground. I think I can reach it with this one. Yes. Alright, so the shallow socket will work on them. I can remember. It's been a while since I've worked on a Volkswagen. Just kind of like doing just tune-up type stuff. A year or so, I believe. But I'm hoping y'all are still in focus. Still there. Nothing crazy happening. We're trying, people, we're trying. Come on. So those are your little studs that holds them in. And these Volkswagens, they can be a little bit tight. And here are your coils. Right there. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the rest of these out. And then once I get these out, I'll show me pulling one of the plugs out. That way you kind of see how that works and what size it is and all that good stuff. So we have all of them out except for one spark plug. We got them out except for this one right here. They are a 5/8 plug and they're in there pretty deep. I got a deep spark plug socket and then a long extension. That's the only extension I brought with me. And all in all, these plugs don't look bad at all. All 3 times in a row. But looks like it's burning good. And like I said, that's the tip of them. Yeah. And NGKs, these are R1s. Right there. Here are the new ones. I've said this multiple times in my videos. NGK does not require any anti-seize or any stuff on that. It actually says not to put it on there. I don't know if it does anymore, but I know about 3 years ago when I looked on their website, it says do not put them on the threads. May cause issues, misfires and stuff like that. And they use a washer instead of a taper seal. Just going back in, thread them down till they bottom out. And then I'm just going to go about probably about another turn and a half, because it pushed it down, turn and a quarter, something like that. That's all it takes. Torque on these things are probably like same thing with cabs, 25, 20 Newton meters. You don't want to put a lot of pressure on. You definitely don't want to break one off. Yeah, you'll have a bad day, most definitely. So let me put the rest of these in, and I'll show you putting some dielectric grease inside of the boots, and we'll put them on. So I went ahead and put these 3 in and figured I wanted to see me do it 4 different times. Set this just right there for a minute. Got this CRC dielectric grease. It's just what I like, and plus it's got like this little squeeze tube on it too. Like a little trigger, and you turn it and it locks it out. So when you press it, nothing comes out. I mean, you're gonna have a little bit come out just because the pressure's pushing it. I like to kind of push them down in there a little bit, and then just kind of squeeze the tip. We'll squeeze that tip. And I put them in sideways first. Lift that up and push down until it bottoms out. Where be my other thread? Good. There we go. Get that in by hand. Tighten it down. Bottomed out. Quarter turn. Now, if you want to, you don't have to do this. You can put some dielectric grease inside of the little ports up there too, if you're really worried about them sticking or anything. But I'm not really all that worried about it. Okay, we're gonna line them all back up and click, 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 and click. Ground wire, ground wire, ground wire, ground wire. Where is your nuts? Where is you? I've lost my nuts. Get on there. Where is you? I know I'm more vocal today than I normally am on the videos, but I'm in a good mood today. Stuff's happening. And I'm outside and it is a little overcast, but all in all, it's a nice day. Temperature's up, starting to get into that warm season, and I love it. There you go. Pretty much it. I mean, all I got left to do is just put the cover back on, go in there and crank it up, and somebody's revving the engine, some Mustang. But go in, put the cover. I got to put the cover on, go in, crank it up, make sure it's no misfires, make sure it's running good. All that stuff. I got to get his mileage and stuff anyway, just because I'm doing what you call it, invoice form. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If I got any questions, comments, concerns, let me know, because I can do it, a little bit easier way of doing something. But yeah, let me put the wiring harness piece back on. I about forgot to do that. Get on there, go back to your home. But like I was saying, if y'all got any questions, comments, concerns, let me know in the comment section. Get to them as soon as possible. Need anything, let me know. Hit me up on Instagram. Like always, I'll help y'all out as much as I can. And until next time, toward the start, y'all have a great day.